How to list a digital product on Etsy. Hello and welcome to our channel, Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to list a digital product on Etsy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to etsy.com and register or log in with your existing Etsy account. And to do that, just go to the search bar and enter Etsy become a seller. And after that, just click the first link that come up, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And from here, if you scroll down below, you'll see some of the benefits that offers by Etsy, in which by joining this creative marketplace, where millions of shoppers spend billions each year, you may experience a great value, a powerful tools, and support and education, in which you can list your first item for just only $0.20, and you only need to pay transaction, payment processing, and off-site advertising fees when you make a sale. While their tools and services make it easy to manage, promote, and grow your business. And you can also reach out to Etsy support specialists anytime you need a hand and get tips on running a successful shop in their seller handbook. Well, if you scroll down below, you will see that this website is simple, transparent, and secure. And it also offers no additional monthly fees, and secure transaction, automatic deposits, and for seller protection. And below, you can also see the corresponding amount or price for listing fee, in which it says here that listings are active for 4 months or until they sell. And aside from that, you can also see that they offer 6.5% transaction fee, 4.5% plus 25 pesos payment processing fee, in which when you sell an item, there's a small commission and standard payment processing fee. They also offers a 15% off-site ads fee, in which Etsy pays to advertise your items across the web through off-site ads, and you only need to pay a fee when you make a sale from one of those ads. So if you want to learn more about advertising fees, just click this text in here. So the next process is to go back to the top page and proceed by clicking Get Started, and you will be directed in here, in which from here, all you need to do is to sign in your account. And you can also log in with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, in which upon signing in, you will be directed in here. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, in which under shop preferences, just enter your shop language, your shop country, and your shop currency, and proceed by clicking Save and Continue button. Well, the next process is to name your shop. Make sure that it is between 4 to 20 characters, and those special characters, space, or accented letters. And after that, just proceed by clicking Save and Continue button, in which the next step is to add your listing. So just proceed by clicking Add More Listings button and click the plus button, and you will be directed in here, in which from here, you can add some photos and details about your item. Under the photos, you can add photos as many as you can, so buyers can see every detail of your item. But before you upload or import a media files from your computer, make sure that you follow the tips below. And after uploading your media files, it will be directed in here. And the first item that you just upload will serve as the thumbnail. But if you still want to add the photos, just click the Add a Photo and just do the same process. And aside from that, you can also upload 5 to 15-second video, in which it could help you to drive more sales. And to do that, just add a video and follow the quick tips. Well, under the listing details below, you are required to enter the title of your items. And since we're selling a digital items, I'm gonna enter digital artwork. While below, just answer the question by selecting your answer. So just by question, what is it? Just select a finished product. And by answering the question, when did you make it? Just select the current year. Well, under the category section, all you need to do is to enter digital items or digital prints. And below, you can also add additional or optional information. But on renewal option section, you can choose either automatic or manual, in which by choosing the automatic, this listing will renew as it expires for USD 0.USD each time. While by choosing the manual options, you will able to renew expired listing by yourself. So I'm going to choose this manual option. While under the type section, since we're selling a digital products, just proceed by clicking digital. And now for the description section, it says here that you can start with a brief overview to describe your items. So shopper will only see the first few lines of your description at first. And make sure to also enter the process of your item and the story behind this item. And aside from that, if you scroll down below, you can also add the optional information. While below the inventory and pricing, you are required to input the price of your digital products and the quantity of your inventory. You can also add the SKU, but that is only an optional information. While under the personalization, you may turn this on in order to collect personalized information for this listing, or turn this off if you don't want to. While under the digital file section, you are required to upload your media files so that buyers can download these files as soon as they complete their purchase, in which you can upload up to 5 more files. And aside from that, you can also send a customized note to buyer of digital items after the item is downloaded. Well, for the next section, which is returns and exchanges, in which it says here that digital items aren't eligible for returns or exchange on Etsy because of the nature of these items. And it is not possible to edit this policy when a buyer reaches out. So technically, no returns or exchanges in selling digital products. But buyer can contact seller about any issue with an order. And if you are now satisfied and agree with all the data and information that you just input, you can now proceed by clicking the Save and Continue button or the Preview button in order to see your product format in the customer's eyes. But make sure that you fill out all of the required information before you click the Preview and Save and Continue button below, in which you also need to fill out the shipping options, such as your country of origin, your postal code, in which where you ship your packages from, and you also required to select your processing time. While under the standard shipping, just fill out all of the required information, such as the shipping service, delivery time, and your shipping charge. And after that, just select the Save and Continue button. And after that, just fill out the following processes. So that is just how to list a digital product on Etsy. Thank you.